This is the SAP Developer News for August 22nd, 2024.
Hola, SAP developers.
Hey everybody, it's Josh
And Antonio.
We are so pleased with the attendance, participation, and the feedback from these 8 CodeJams we just finished yesterday.
Exactly. So from Sao Paulo, Santiago, Buenos Aires, and Bogota, we experienced 4 great days focused on event-driven integrations and another 4 great days focused on SAP Build Apps and a few Stamptish as well.
Besides the amazing technology and the people, the locations, I also learned something new. We traveled all over another continent. My first time here in South America, LATAM, but I felt so at home. We talked SAP, shared community stories, and we chatted about the Oktoberfest and TechEd.
Agree. I was quite happy to get to meet many developers around here and colleagues in this region as well. So I'm looking forward to meeting more in the near future.
Yep. So that's it for this fruit trip. Thank you all so much. Muchas gracias.
See you next time in LATAM as well. Muchas gracias. Ciao.
The standard database of application server ABAP is SAP HANA database, and if the ABAP program requires access to another database, we use to configure a secondary connection. Andrea Schlotter, in her latest blog post on 2408 release of ABAP CDS, explains a new and exciting feature, CDS External Entities. CDS External Entities helps to retrieve data from multiple other remote sources, which can be SAP HANA or non-SAP HANA databases. Unlike traditional secondary connections that limit access to a single database and require exact matching of remote and local objects, CDS External Entities offer a more flexible and efficient approach by allowing access to multiple remote data sources within a single SQL statement. This feature leverages the data federation approach of the SAP HANA Smart Data Access technology. The blog post also talks about the comparison of secondary connection and external entities, how to access data in ABAP SQL, and establish outbound SQL access using an external entity. Please note that currently only dynamic external entities are supported, which can only be accessed using ABAP SQL and cannot be used as a data source for other CDS entities. Also note that the dynamic external entities allow only read access, and writable external entities are planned for one of the upcoming releases. For details, check out the links in the description.
Planning for TechEd Virtual 2024 is officially in full swing, and I'm thrilled to report that the session catalog is now live. Now is the time to explore all of the learning opportunities we have in store during our free virtual event this October. You'll find over 90 live sessions, including live lectures, code demos, track overviews, Jumpstart tutorials, and expert analysis. Signing up is simple. Just visit sapteched.com and register for our free virtual event on October 8th and 9th. So sign up now, and I'll see you online in October.
Hello SAP developers, greetings of the day. Generative AI, LLMs, tools such as Copilot and Codestrel, everybody is in it now. But what does it mean in terms of responsibilities in the daily work of a developer in an enterprise context? SAP Open Source webinar on topic Open Source Licenses within the context of AI is available on September 3rd, 2024 at 3 p.m. CEST. Georgi, who is an open source champion at SAP, will give an overview of EU legal environment surrounding AI, talk about restrictions and obligations of licenses used for AI components, and give you examples of technical and regulatory solutions to avoid IP infringements. If this sounds interesting to you, do not miss this opportunity. Links to the registrations are in the description below.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the SAP Developer News. The SAP UI.mdc library is now available for productive usage. And this is since SAP UI5 and OpenUI5 version 1.124. The MDC controls, which is short for metadata-driven controls, by the way, help you build smart controls and even whole applications following the SAP Fiori design guidelines. The SAP Fiori Elements flexible programming model for OData v4 also use these controls under the hood. But they work with other protocols such as plain REST as well. Check out these samples in the UI5 documentation, as well as the corresponding tutorial on GitHub. Links are in the description, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.